Welcome to Barrack Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today we're doing a walk around video of this 2017 Subaru Impreza Premium. Now this car's in awesome condition, so I am going to walk you through and show you just how good the value and condition of this vehicle is and some of the actual features as well. Starting at that front end, you can see this Subaru Impreza does get a nice sharp sporty looking front end. You've got that lip that sticks out just a little bit further than the vehicle at the front. It's a beautiful design. You've also got the sleek headlights, the chrome split in the grille there with the Subaru badging right in the middle, and in that burgundy it looks absolutely stunning. You've got fog lights fitted as well with the chrome accent just above that. Front end condition does present really well considering its age. Now in terms of any damage, there's actually not much on the front there. I can see that I need to point out there's maybe one or two stone chips that we have touched up for you, but that is to be expected on any used car. The alloy wheels in this vehicle, nice chrome face there with the gunmetal grey backing. You've got a new set of tyres on the front there, so good condition on those tyres obviously, and it is a very nice design. Contrasts quite nicely with the burgundy paintwork. Now paintwork along the driver's side is very consistent with the front, so very good condition there. You've got the KLMS side mirrors and the door handles. Indicator is just built into the side mirror there, which does actually clean up that whole quarter panel from any lights. Now the door handle, the vehicle is actually keyless entry, which means pressing that touchpad there does lock your vehicle, and just putting your hand in the handle with the key in proximity does unlock it. On the inside you've got a full genuine set of mats. Seats look almost brand new, so great condition there. They are the cloth seats, so you do get a little less wear than the leather. Even the door trims and scuff guards down the bottom here where people tend to kick, even the doors when they are getting out, there's really no marking on there at all from people's shoes. Always a good sign the car has been looked after. Now the back windows are actually privacy glass, so it is just a dyed glass. We'd highly recommend you do speak to us about the premium tint options we have available, because that will help you match the front, and on that beautiful color it's going to be a very nice contrast on top of obviously the UV and heat reduction benefits of the tint as well. That next wheel, once again, perfect condition there, completely unmarked, and great tread on those tires as well. Along the back here you have got the LED tail lights, beautiful design once again there. You've got the TOWBAR already fitted on the back. You've got the high mounted stoplight and the rear wiper as well. Now opening up the tailgate, we'll have a quick look on the inside. You've got the cargo tray here, which is going to protect anything on the back end. You've also got the cargo blind to keep anything private in the back, and under here you've got all your jack, tools, and the TOWBAR tongue as well there. Closing this back up, we will keep making our way along the passenger side. Now passenger side once again is in remarkable condition. Guys, this car actually presents really well considering its age. That next wheel, that one, if I am trying to be super picky, there is some very light rashing along the edges of that rim, but nothing really too concerning at all. Now along this side, as I said guys, pay attention to the actual paintwork because it does present really well. The last and final wheel, the one that is often parked next to the curb, there's a little bit of residue glue from there from the new tire, but as far as I can tell there's really no marks on that wheel at all. So as you can see guys, you've got brand new tires in the front, great condition on the Bridgestone tires on the back there. The wheels are all in awesome condition for its age, and the paintwork from front to back is very consistent. So to protect this beautiful color, you need to take advantage of the glass coat. Please ask us about how that's going to give you a lifetime warranty on your paintwork and keep it looking this good for as long as you own it. For now guys, what we're going to do is actually pop the bonnet and have a look at the boxer engine that actually powers us. Alright guys, taking a look under the engine now, under the bonnet, sorry, you have got a 4-cylinder 2-litre boxer engine. Now the boxer engine is a slightly different engine configuration. Not going to go into too much technical details, but let me just tell you, it does give the car an awesome drive. It has got a 7-speed automatic gearbox as well. The ANCAP safety rating of your Subaru is 5 stars with 7 airbags. The power output from the engine is 115 kilowatts with a torque rating of 196 newton meters. Petrol fuel tank holds 50 liters of 91, giving you a combined fuel consumption of about 6.6 liters per 100, and an average fuel distance, depending on your driving style, of about 758 kilometers from a full tank. Taking a look inside the Subaru now, on the driver's side door you do get your power window controls. Front driver's side and passenger side are both automatic up and down. Above that is a toggle for your power mirrors, including a button to let you fold them in, and your central locking buttons as well. Now, being the Impreza, you do get some nice carbon fiber trim around your door handle there as well. Beautiful design there with the chrome door handle on the inside as well. On the right hand side of the steering wheel, you've got a few of your safety switches. You've got your stability control, your auto off, so you can actually set it to either turn itself off when you come to a stop at a traffic light, or just turn that feature off if you want. You've also got your tire pressure reset button there. You've got the adjustable headlight controls and your illumination control for the cluster. Engine start stop button is on the right hand side next to your right knee, so you just put your foot on the brake and press that to start your car. Right hand stalk gets your indicators, fog light controls and headlight controls, and the left hand stalk here gets your washer and wiper controls. Now on the steering wheel itself, the right hand side here does have your cruise control. Now the cruise control in this vehicle does actually have an adaptive mode, so you can actually set it to follow the car in front of you at whatever speed they're doing. Left hand side here does have all your media functions, and down the bottom right you have the menu controls for what you see between the two gauges in the cluster there. Now, having a look in the center display, you can see it does have inbuilt satellite navigation here. If I put it in reverse, you do get a nice reverse camera there where you can see the rear bumper, and when the tow bar tongue is attached you can actually see the tow bar in there as well. Now you go back to home, you have got all your media functions, so Apple CarPlay as well. You've got your phone functionality, you've got inbuilt navigation, plus your standard media functions as well. The Subaru does also have a display up the top there for your fuel economy. Now down the bottom here you've got the dual zone climate control, so pressing auto will let you actually switch your temperatures and let that regulate whatever temperature you set throughout the vehicle. Passenger and driver can both have their own temperatures if you do have a very fussy passenger with you. Underneath that you've got the AUX input, your USB port, so you've got two USB ports in there and a 12-volt socket, plus some nice grippy storage there if you did want to keep your phone. Now the shifter can be driven as a standard auto, or you can bump it to the right into manual mode, which lets you switch through your gears with the paddles behind the wheels. Down below that you've got the electric park brake plus your hill ascent control, so it'll help you get some extra power and torque going uphill. You've also got the two cup holders just under here, and in here you've got another two USB charging points and a 12-volt socket, plus some cables if you wanted to run them into the console. Now panning around the interior, you will notice it is in great condition. And if we have a look up at the roof, you do actually get the electric sunroof. Now there's a couple of buttons near the sunroof as well. You've got your forward collision mitigation and your lane keeping as well, just built in up here. The sunroof can slide open if you wish, so fully automatic there. Just press the button for a second and it'll do it for you. And you've also got the tilt option if you did want to just let in some fresh air from the outside. Guys, as I said, beautiful condition on the roof lining, on the seats, and consistent throughout the vehicle. So we're not going to spend too long looking around. Let's jump outside and wrap this video up. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video of this beautiful Subaru Impreza. As you can see, guys, very well looked after front to back and inside as well. It is a beautiful example of a very well looked after Impreza, and it's something you're going to want to look after as well, especially in that stunning burgundy. It is a car that you will want to take advantage of the glass coat on. With a lifetime warranty on your paintwork, why would you not want to protect your investment? Now, the other thing this car does actually qualify for is the premium mechanical protection plan. It's got a 5-year cover on up to 200,000 kilometers on the clock on 181 items, and you do get unlimited claims over that time at $3,600 per claim. It's an awesome way to keep your car protected, especially with the 10-year premium nationwide roadside assistance. Now guys, even though these things are additional costs, if you do speak to our business managers and you are looking to finance your new purchase, they're going to work in the options for you anyway, into repayments which are comfortable for you, and get you into your new Impreza and make sure that you are protected in the long run as well. Now guys, just before I go, it's important to know who you're dealing with, so Google Barrick Mitsubishi, have a read of our Google reviews and have a look at what people actually have to say about us, and you will find that you are buying from a good quality dealership and we are going to deliver you the best quality service and the best quality vehicle as well. If you have any questions at all, the number to dial is 990-70-555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.